Hello friends, do you know who is called Saroj Samrat? In which year did Zakir Hussain get Padma Shri? Do you know in which year Pandit Ravi Shankar was awarded Bharat Ratna? To know the answers of all these questions, you must have to watch the video till the end. But before that, I am going to introduce myself. Hello friends, you are hooked on to my YouTube channel Evolution, a Point of Success. This is your guide and mentor Prosenjit Shikdar. All of you know that this channel Evolution, a Point of Success is for the aspirants of all government job examinations. So, you know that musical instruments is one of the most favorite topics of the examiners for SSC exams. So, today I will discuss with you the most important questions and how to study this static GK part, musical instruments. First of all, we have to know about all kinds of musical instruments and how they are played. So, let's start the topic. Musical instrument can be classified into three categories, in which I will explain. Number 1, percussion instrument. Number 2, wind instruments. And number 3, stringed instruments. So, first of all, you have to know which instruments are called percussion instruments. Look, the instruments which are played with the help of our arms or with the help of our fingers, with the stroke of our fingers and hands, these type of instruments are called percussion instruments. For example, tabla, mridang, drum, pakhak, dholak, etc. So these are the instruments which are played with the help of our hands and with the stroke of our fingers. Now, next type, this is the second type of musical instruments which are called wind instruments. These instruments are played with the help of the wind. That means with the help of wind, these kinds of instruments are played. So let us discuss about their examples like flute, nadaswaran, sehnai, etc. And the last category which I will discuss is named as stringed instruments. Stringed instruments are those instruments which are played with the help of strings like violin, sitar, veena, rudravena, etc. So you will find some questions related to these kinds of instruments and who are the personalities, who are the important personalities related with these instruments, right? So one by one I will try to explain the instruments and the personalities associated with that particular instrument. Now, first of all, I will discuss about percussion instrument, right? So let us first know about the mridangam. Mridangam is one kind of percussion instrument which is played with the help of hands or which is played with the help of our fingers. So who are the important personalities associated with mridangam? First of all, Palghat Mani Iyer, next T.K. Murthy, next K. Subramaniam, next Palghat Raghu and Thakur Bhaikam Singh. these are the most important personalities who are associated with percussion instrument. Next percussion instrument which I am going to discuss about is about the tabla. The most famous personality associated with tabla is Zakir Hussain. Now, the most important questions related to Zakir Hussain which already came in our different SSC exams and other examinations also, like in which year did Zakir Hussain get Padma Shri? Zakir Hussain got Padma Shri in the year 1988. Next important question which is related to Zakir Hussain is, when did Zakir Hussain get Padma Bhushan? Zakir Hussain got Padma Bhushan in 2020 and he also got Padma Vibhushan in 2023. So, tabla is one of the most famous percussion instrument and Zakir Hussain is one of the most important personalities related to tabla, and the questions which are important for the upcoming examinations are already discussed. Now the next important personalities who are related to tabla are Sapan Chaudhuri, Latif Khan, Pandit Samta Prasad, Allah Rakha Khan, Kishan Maharaj, who belonged to Benaras Ghanara. This is another important question which already came in an examination. In which gharana did Kishan Maharaj belong to? Kishan Maharaj belongs to Benaras Gharana. The next important personality related to tabla is Nikhil Ghosh. So this is all about the musical instrument tabla related questions and the personalities associated with that musical instrument. Now next musical instrument I am going to discuss about is wind instruments. So first of all I will discuss about flute, which is in Bengali called basi. So let us discuss about the important personalities who are associated with flute. Number 1, Pannalal Ghosh, most important personality. Number 2, T.R. Mahalingam. Number 3, Ustad Safat Ahmad Khan. Number 4, B. Kunjumani. Next, Raghunath Seth, Rajendra Kulkarni, and the last famous name is Hariprasad Chaurasia. So these are the personalities who are associated with flute. Now next important wind instrument is Nadaswaran. Nadaswaran is a kind of musical instrument which is also played with the help of the wind. So let us discuss or let us analyze the names, the important personalities who are associated with Nadaswaran. Number 1, Niruswami Pillai. Number 2, Sheikh Chinna Mola. And number 3, Raja Ratanam Pillai. The most important name is Sheikh Chinna Mola, because this name already, if you check in your previous year exam of CGL examination, you will find that already this question was found in the previous year, right? Next important wind instrument is Sahnai. The most famous personality who is associated with Sahnai is Ustad Bismillah Khan, who belonged to Benaras Gharana. So Bismillah Khan is the most important person who is associated with Sahnai, and he belongs to Benaras Gharana. Now let us discuss about the most important questions which are related to Bismillah Khan. Number 1. Bismillah Khan got Bharat Ratna in 2001. He also got Padma Vibhushan in 1980. He at the same time got Padma Bhushan in 1968, and he also got Padma Shri in 1961. The other personalities who are associated with Sahnai are Dayasankar, Jagannath, Hari Singh, etc. So these are the famous names who are associated with the wind instrument Sahnai. Now I will discuss about the last type of, this is a third type of musical instrument which I have already mentioned, that is stringed instrument. Stringed instruments are those instruments which are played with the help of string. So the first example I will pick up is sitar, and the famous personality who is one of the most famous personalities related to sitar is Pandit Ravi Shankar, and he got Bharat Ratna in 1999. The next important personalities are Rajiv Janardhan, Umashankar Misra, Shahid Parvez, Nikhil Banerjee, Ustad Vilayat Khan, and Jayash Biswas. So these are the famous personalities who are associated with sitar. The next stringed instrument which I am going to present before you is sarod, and the most famous person associated with sarod is Amjad Ali Khan, who is known as the Sarod Samrat. Very important question. Who is known as the Sarod Samrat? Answer: Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. The other personalities who are associated with sarod are Ustad Ali Akbar Khan, Hafiz Ali Khan, Ustad Alauddin Khan, Vasant Rai, Buddhadev Dasgupta, Jarin Sharma. These are the personalities who are associated with sarod. The next important stringed instrument is santoor, S-A-N-T-O-O-R, santoor, and the famous personality who is associated with santoor is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, and he was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 2001. Other famous personalities are Tarun Bhattacharya, Bhajan Sopori. These are the names who are associated with santoor. So now I will discuss about the next stringed instrument, that is violin, and the personalities associated with violin are Lalita and Nandini. These two names are very important, and these two names are very famous because Lalita and Nandini, also known as violin sisters, and this is one of the most important questions. And the other personalities who are associated with violin are Dharan Vekantaswamy Naidu and Lakshmi Narayan Subramaniam. The next important stringed instrument is veena, and the characters and the persons who are associated with veena are S. Bala Chandran, Chitti Babu, very important, Chitti Babu, K.R. Kumaraswamy. And the last stringed instrument which I will talk about is Rudravina. And the personalities, the famous personalities which I may say are Asad Ali Khan, Mohi Bahauddin Dagar, and the other stringed instruments are sarangi, surbahar, etc. The persons who are associated with surbahar are Annapurna Devi, who was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1977, and Imran Khan is another personality who is also associated with surbahar. So let us digest all about this in a recap. So I have classified musical instruments into three categories. Number 1, percussion instrument. Number 2, wind instruments. And number 3, stringed instruments. So the first of all, we talked about percussion instruments. The percussion instruments are those instruments which are played with the help of hands and fingers, with the stroke of fingers. For example, tabla, mridang, drum, pakhwag, dholak, etc. Next, we talked about wind instrument, and the examples of wind instruments are flute, nadaswaran, sehnai, etc. And last, we talked about stringed instruments, which are violin, sitar, veena, rudravina, sarangi, surbahar, etc. So the question is, which musical instrument is Bismillah Khan related? Number A option sitar, number B option sehnai, number C option dholak, and number D option tabla. So you have to comment your answer in the comment box. With that, this is Prosenjit Sikdar signing out from Evolution, a Point of Success. Till we meet next, keep studying, keep watching, and keep sharing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Take care.